Hello, welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu. Today I'm going to be doing an amazingly tasty, slow cooked tomato sauce. Perfect for spaghetti bolognese, lasagna or a base for an Indian curry. First off, we chop the red onion. You can use any onions you like, but I like the sweetness of the red. After that, chop 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. If you don't want it too garlicky, just use less. Then cut and dice a large celery stalk. Add the onions to the pan and begin to sweat down. Then add the celery and season. After about 8 minutes, add the garlic and keep stirring. After that, we come over to the sink to rinse the tomatoes. I'm using a combination of cherry, Roma, San Marzano and German Queen, as that's what I have in the garden. If you're getting these from a farmer's market or a trusted deli, just get whichever you prefer. For the cherry tomatoes, just place straight into the pan, but for anything larger, cut accordingly. Season them and then keep stirring. Then we add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, then 1 teaspoon of oregano. Once it comes up to the boil, add a couple of bay leaves. Then turn the heat to low, put a cover on and leave it for an hour. After an hour, take the lid off and begin to puncture the tomatoes that haven't yet broken down. Add the juice of half a lemon and then a teaspoon of maple syrup. If you don't got maple syrup, honey or sugar will do. I only put a teaspoon in because I used the red onion and I included cherry tomatoes. So give it a taste, and if it needs more sweetness, add it now. Then add a quarter of a beef octo cube. But if you need it to be 100% veggie, just substitute for that. Keep the lid off and let it reduce for another hour. Now, if you like a rustic sauce, it's now finished. But if you want it to be smoother, we pass the rich, thick sauce through a drainer. After that, this may be the texture you're looking for. But if you want it to be almost soup-like, drain it once more, this time through a sieve.